Welcome to Kraus, where we create innovation for real life.
Hi everyone, this is Rebecca with Kraus USA. We are back today with another exciting video for you, highly requested. We will be replacing the spray hose on one of our faucets today. We're going to go through the steps one by one. We will be using our KPF 4102 as a demonstration. It is not hooked up, just so you could see all the components in one shot when we're going through the steps. If you do have this faucet or you have a similar model, the components will be very similar to what you're going to see in the video. If you have an older model or you're unsure about if your faucet has the same parts, you can give us a call, send us a text, and a customer service rep will be happy to assist you with any questions that you have. So first things first, you won't need any external tools for this process. You will need, of course, a replacement spray hose if you're having any issues. You'll contact our customer service team to get that all sorted for you. In your kitchen, when the faucet is installed, you want to make sure that the water is turned off. So in the cabinet, your hot and cold will be set up at the angle stops. They will have a valve for each of the hot and cold side. You want to make sure this is shut off first before you start anything. Then what you're going to do next is locate the weight on the spray hose. It's going to be a large piece like this. Depending on the model that you have, removing it will include different steps. For this model in particular, you're going to slide the weight up and then remove it from the hose. And then you're going to remove the clip just by sliding it off the hose like that. Super simple. And then you're going to look for the quick connect. This is the part that attaches both ends of the spray hose into this plastic portion of the spray hose. We will be removing the long end, so what you're going to do is remove it with the clips, just like so. And on the other end, you're going to twist it off. Okay, just like that. This is what the end should look like. And then on top of the counter where the faucet is installed, we're going to remove the spray head, and it removes just like a light bulb. You're going to hold on to this top part that has the threading and twist it to the left, just like that. Okay, put that to the side. And now you're able to remove the spray hose completely from the faucet. Just like that. So now the spray hose is removed. If there is an issue with the one you have existing, you'll replace it with the new hose that you've received from customer service. For demonstration purposes, we're just going to reinsert the same hose. So what you're going to do now is with the end that is going to connect under the counter, you're going to feed that back in through the opening of the faucet where you removed the spray head. Okay, so we're going to feed it through the opening. It may take some shimmying, but it will eventually find its way through the bottom threaded portion of the faucet. And you're just going to push that all the way through. And then we can reinsert the spray head so we don't lose the hose. This is going to go on exactly the same way we removed it. And then this will feed back into the top. Because the weight is removed, it will dangle there, so there is no issue. It'll go back to normal once we have the weight reinstalled. So now we have the quick connect. We're going to position that, thread that back onto the end, like so. And then the other end will connect to the spray hose. You want to hear a click, make sure that it's secure. Then on the spray hose, you're going to see that there is an indicator for where the weight should be placed. Right here we have the white tape. On the clip, it will say up, so you want to make sure that's facing the top of the faucet. Okay, we'll slide the weight right back on there. And then the hose will retract the spray head so it'll sit perfectly. And then you can turn the hot and cold angle stops back on and then use your faucet like normal. If you have any additional questions or concerns, or you have questions about the video, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team via calling us, email, or chat, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much.
Kraus, innovation for real life.